出来了，应该出来了。
看一下，搜一下。
对，出来了。
啊，直播中呢。
说话，你说话，你。
Hello。
说话，你说话。
可以，我再分享给他们。
你说我们开直播了，完了，发给他们。
Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome to today's live stream. This is Frank from Xi'an Brightway Energy Group. Today I'm going to introduce our factory equipment and our main products to you. And firstly, let me introduce about our factory history. And our Brightway Group was established in October 22, 2012 in Xi'an. Our factory has been is a research and development manufacturer of high-end off-field equipment, also cross-border trade of crude oil and refined products, oil and gas engineering and technician service, oil and gas field development, and oil refining and chemical engineering, natural gas purification and treatment, and also environmental management. And over the decade development, our factory has been established 4 subsidiaries in 4 countries, as American branch, Nigeria branch, India branch, and Russia. This 4 branch has a representative office, and also we have production in there, which can make sure we have most equipment stored there, and our suppliers. And here, because we are self research and development company, so we have our own technical patent. Over the decade, we have owned 100 intellectual property patents. This is our innovation. This is our engineers' efforts make our product can sell to until now over more than 17 countries and regions globally. And in this development process, we have get a lot of qualifications and honors. We get our from our oil and gas drilling group, and our government is supporting us a lot for our investigation and invest us, give us most support for developing to all over the world. And also with our over decade development, we have our own culture. We have our company's own cultural value. Like our main mission is we will become the pioneer of advanced manufacturing technology. And our purpose, we have a good attitude, a good action, and our company and our staff, we have a bright future. And our philosophy will create values for customers, create benefits for our shareholders, and create prospects for employees, and create employment for opportunities for society. And our values is pragmatism, innovation, and trust in this. In our security outlook, life is priceless. Safety is supreme. So, with this culture, we have a very like family union team. Like over decades, our team has been attend many exhibitions in oil and gas field in Nigeria, in Thailand, and American, Russia, and also we have our family. Sometimes we have activities to make our teams, rebuild our teams, to enjoy our culture, our value, which can make our team more strong and develop so fast, as we are like a family company. And over the past decade development, we have we have our very respect customer from all over the world, like Aramco from Saudi Arabia, and Analog. Also, we have cooperate with many famous drilling cooperators like Gazprom and Pakistan State Oil, Qatar Energy, and also in domestic markets, we have our three national-owned companies: Sinopec, Sinok, and China Petrol. With their support, our company can we have built a strong relationship with our own partners, which can support us develop so quick. And also in the past years, we have many successful cases. The most successful case that we have the honor to join our country's first 15,000 meters drilling rig mud system. This reached up in new heights of the ultra deep drilling. This is the first time in China, also first time in this world. So our honorable chairman Liu Yuelang has been invited to CCTV's interview to discuss how can we do this, and what is our advantage we can do this. This is our honor. This is also our mission to develop to do more things for our country, for our society. And with the development over decades, our company become more and more developed. So we have our future more plan. This is currently where we stand now is our new factory. We just rebuilt in last year and start the production. So we have our another plan, has a more big factory maybe in next 3 years. Yes, we will have another project, a new factory rebuilt, which can strong our production capacity and support our team to make sure more markets from this world from all over the market. Okay, and now let us go throughout our processing area. Firstly, you can see here is our meat processing equipment. Our here all is electric digit processing equipment. Compared with our past old equipment, this equipment can make sure the high accuracy, high efficiency, and more high quality. Within this, we have big investment for use for this equipment, and with this equipment, we have more output actually monthly and yearly. Can make sure our deliver time to a customer more in time, and ensure the quality. Yes, and can go. Yes, here we can see our engineer is now processing the components of our equipment using our digital machine. So they are always perfect. Our engineer always very professional. They have been working here more than 3 years, and they have been in this career more than 10 years. They are also professional and experienced. Their processing, we have our own processing equipment, and they totally follow our technique specifications, and make sure all the things is in the right way, processing in correct way. And yes, and you can see clearly what they are doing now. This has so many option buttons for our engineer, and all the data can see very clear in this screen, in this monitor. So if have any small mistake, we can easily find here and to do the adjust to make sure our accuracy of every components. Okay, and here we can see already have so many finished components. And here is also almost already finished the component. This one is for our centrifuge. Our processing capacity is very big and huge. And here is another digital processing equipment. You can see, and our all equipment is also come from brand, which can make sure our working efficiency, and also make sure our worker staff is safety. Now we can see these two has the same equipment. Our engineer and now is under working and processing the equipment components. almost our components is processed and finished in this area. It's after finish this area, then the components will be sent beside here for the assembly. This later I will introduce for you guys. And, let's see here. Here is also this one is for our centrifuge components. This inside. This one is inside the centrifuge components. Our raw material is used for is a high quality raw material for processing, and make sure our equipment, our machine can use long time without damage. This here. Yes, this is a raw material. And here is some these components. This one is used for our inside or the vertical cutting dryer. We have almost now we have more orders for this vertical cutting dryer. Okay, our equipment is introduced, finished. Now I'm going to introduce some of this another side. This side is our equipment assembling area. Like this side, after some components is well finished, all the machine will be installed here. Like here, you can see here is some here's our some motors engine motors, and this one here has now is 3. Here is our shell shaker frame. Later we install the motors upper and our screen, shell shaker screen. And here is the one is almost finished installed mud cleaner. And you can see this mud cleaner. We have down the bottom frame, the base frame, and here we have the exploring protect engine, and we have the mud clean. This is for this big one is 10 inches. Is for our for clean the sand. Now after sand clean, we use this one is a hydrocyclone. This is for the soil. This machine actually is a descender and desilter combined, which one can make sure to save more space if the oil and the gas plantation is has limited space, so we can suggest customer use this one, which can save more space and also has a high efficiency. Okay, and here is another machine. Is our degasser. Here is our degasser. This one is also used for oil and gas drilling field, which can separate the mud liquid inside the gas, separate the gas, which and also our control panel. Our control panel is from protection, defensive components, control panel. And this one normally we have 200. We have different capacity for customer to choose. We have 240 cubic per hour, 270 qubit per hour, and also 300, 360, and so on. So which one customer need, we can produce based on customers' requirements. Okay, and yes. And here you can see is another. This is connected shell shaker, which one is now is under assembling. You can see this three shell shaker is combined together. Which this one also is specially designed for our respectable customer. Normally we can is separate one by one, but this one is all connected. This this one actually also is first time seed, but we can make based on customer special requirements. Okay. And we come here. Just now, as I say, in that side the company is finished, and here this is our this one for our cutting dryer. Vertical cutting dryer is inside components, and here as so many is a main body. Here is a main body of the vertical cutting driver, and which one can put this this shell basket inside this main body. So as I said just now, we have lots of orders for this vertical cutting dryer. Yes, our experienced engineer now is installing and assembling all the things together, all the companies together. Yes, here is still is main body of our water cutting dryer. Okay, here is our some finished products. Our finished products, like this. Just now, I have already introduced one mud cleaner, and here is another one. And that one is actually is two sand hydrocyclone, and this one is three, and this one has a more high capacity, and around 240 per hour, 240 cubic feet per hour, and here you can see tongue is also has it has two functions. Also has one shell shaker in tongue. It has three which here can install three shell shaker screen here. And here you can see here the 1, 2, 3. Here is a one layer, like a single layer shell shaker. Here is a double layer, and this one is a triple layer shell shaker screen. This all is used for the actually the first step for separate to make the in the controlling solid control system in the first stage, and we can customer required like which one how many layers they need, they can select, and which capacity, how many capacity they need, we can design for customer. And also here the screen mesh also is different. We can design and install based on customers' requirements. And normally we have our design team. they can go customers side to evaluate their requirement. Like then we can do our plan. We can do our plan and the design. We have this service for all the customer. Before the product, before we have cooperation, we have the fully service. Like we can provide our service plan. They also can evaluate, and we discuss together. Then finally finalize the design plan. Then we start the production. Okay. And this is our descender centrifuge. Which one has a high efficiency? This one normally used in the last stage of the solid control system. And this one we can every hour's capacity is around 40 cubic meters. And we also have, this is a high speed model. And we also can produce the middle speed model, which based on customers' requirement. And of course, we have some others equipment, but not show here because finished products are already shipping out. Okay, and here is just now. There we can see there just now is main body and some components about the vertical cutting driver, and here is one finished products. Yes, this is after finished all the assembling. It's like this. This one is not used for which the mud. It has high liquid contents. If too much liquid inside the mud, then we normally use this one. Has a high efficiency to reduce the liquid, separate the liquid and the solid. Like this one, capacity every hour is 40 to 60 tons per hour. And also this one we can make different capacity for this design and customer. And yes, this inside the design has some components that just now I already show in there. Like this inside is a components this seal basket, and seal basket. We have another engine part which can has a high efficiency in separate liquid and solid. The big solids we will be come from this one and go from down. And the small liquid come from this pipe, come outside, go to the next stage. Okay. 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 Beside all the equipment, you can see here we have lots of tank. We can produce almost all the industry tanks, like this mud tank. We can produce oil tank, water tank, and some tank for the gas station. Also, we can produce, and the capacity and design, all we can produce based on customer design and requirement. And yes, just I say here, you can see this is our. This is a small unit, produce unit for the solid control system. This normally used for brake construction, like the HDD projects and the GBM projects. For this one, this is which one know how for the mud recycling system. It's a small unit. And inside here we have you can see here is very small is a one multi mixer which one can make end the chemical inside. And after we have have shell shaker, but now not installed. And here has our agitator which can mixing and stirring the liquid inside the tank to make sure the tank is underflowing, not a sink. Can be work properly. Okay, this is our finished unit, which is also is ready for shipment. Okay, we can go now. We are going to another workshop. Yes, you can see here is some already finished components, which one just need to do the paint. Huge quantity. And here you can see is our welding area, and all the welding engineer have the qualified. They have the certificate of the welding, so to make sure all the welding is meet our requirements. For welding, we have the high requirement because our tank inside is liquid, so liquid is very easy for the linkage. So which required our welding engineer is has a very professional and careful when they do this work. And here we can see here is our mud tank inside the design. We designed for our customer, and now is under processing. This is inside. Inside now is under welding. Yes. You can see our engineering with every measurement, and also before installing, we make sure every spare parts, every component is correct and installed in the correct place. Okay.啊？哦，那里再讲5分钟。哦 ，okay. And okay, let's almost with our processing area, and I'm going to yes, you can see our outside now is our finished equipment is under loading. Loading is ready for shipment to our customer. Yes, a lot of equipment in outside, and also after our products produce finish, you can see our yes, we have a very good package to make sure to avoid the damage under transportation. Yes, and our worker is very carefully when loading. Yes, here is all the tanks, mud tanks, and ready for shipment. Okay, thank you all. Thank you for today. And another thing, we have our Trenchless Asia exhibition now in Thailand, and we have our representatives there. So welcome all our new friends, our clients, and our respective partner to visit our booth. Our booth number is 106, and the address it is Queen Circuit Convention Center. So welcome all the friends. If you have time, if you are interested, please visit our booth. We warmly welcome all the friends. Thank you. If you have any interest, and come to us, contact with us. Thank you all.